Hey guys, it's Ron here from the Backyard Railroader. I wanted to play with my trains today. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon, and I figured I'd just show you what I have to contend with before I can play with any trains. So here's my set. And all the leaves I gotta pick up. All the sticks, twigs. Yeah, a lot of cleanup. And I still got all these bushes, so all little leaves to come down. It's just a matter of time. And it looks like I gotta cut my grass as well. Finish picking up my apples. All this before I can even think of playing with my set. Well, best to be getting to work. So, see you in a bit. Okay folks, well that was a lot of work, and we're finally done cleaning up the yard, cleaning up the train set. Time to play. So let's have a look, see how good she looks. Got a lot of it cleaned up now. Here's my train. All the leaves and sticks been picked up. Oh. There we go, time to play. Remember folks, if you like my video, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's play. Okay, work's done. Time to play with some trains. Here we go. Remember folks, don't forget to like my video, and as always, talk about trains.